The forward and rear cabin doors of the A320 are equipped with slide rafts. In case of a ditching, prior to door opening, the survival kit must be connected to the slide raft. The survival kit is stored in the nearest overhead bin. Place the survival kit on the floor forward of the door. And detach the lanyard from the girt bar. Pull the lanyard and the hook to snap on the front of the survival kit. The inflation and deployment sequence is automatically initiated when the door is opened in the armed configuration. The slide raft is ejected out of its container and remains folded by restraint devices which break at a determined pressure point to allow correct deployment. The slide raft is stowed in a container connected to the cabin door. As soon as the door handle is lifted, the door is pneumatically pushed open and the slide raft, fixed with a girt bar to the cabin floor, is pulled out of the container, drops down and inflates automatically. As the inflatable falls down, the inflation system is activated. Should the automatic inflation system fail, the slide raft must be inflated manually. For that, the red manual inflation handle located on the right-hand side of the girt extension must be pulled.